Hey everybody, it is me, Vincent. Welcome back to VincentVision. We are here at Busch Gardens Tampa today because, well, frankly, I want to ride some roller coasters. I'm in the mood to ride some very scary and thrilling roller coasters. We're also here to check out the brand new pass holder lounge that will be opening up soon. It's going to be a lot of fun today during this very busy summer Saturday. So welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Wachow! Yes, hello, it is me, Vincent. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. We're here at Busch Gardens. We're back. I think the last time I was here was actually for the preview of Iron Gwazi, and I am back here at Busch Gardens to just ride it again. I've been saying for months and months and months, oh, I gotta go back to Busch Gardens. I gotta go back. But the truth is, I'm really lazy, and an hour and a half drive sometimes doesn't really feel worth it for me. But as soon as I get here to Busch Gardens, I am definitely ready to have an awesome day. I am ready to get in line for Iron Gwazi, even though it has a really long line right now. It is posted at a 110-minute wait, and I was thinking like, oh, maybe like some of the other rides you can buy an individual quick queue for Iron Gwazi and just use that. Like, I'm willing to do that. Like, I'm trained on Lightning Lane at Disney World, you know what I mean? But you can't do that for Iron Gwazi. You can only get a quick queue for the day, which works for the entire park, and one ride in Iron Gwazi. And there's also like a year-long quick queue that's $600, which I did not know about. That is super crazy to me. So we are just gonna get in line for this amazing roller coaster because I do think it is 100% worth it, even if I do end up waiting like 100 minutes for it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Wow.
I kind of forgot how awesome that roller coaster was. Like, truly one of the best roller coasters, if not the best. It keeps shifting between this and Velocicoaster, but this was a really intense ride through. I rode in the back row. I was a hot mess. My GoPro video did not come out how I needed it to. It was flopping all over the place. I had my fanny pack loosely tied around my waist, and for some reason I thought that was gonna be good enough. It was just flying up and down the entire roller coaster. This was a rough ride. A fun ride, but a rough ride. Well, like a smooth ride, but just like an intense ride is what I should say. I did see some things that I hadn't noticed before, like the supports for the old Gwazi wooden roller coaster that used to be there. You could just see that while you're waiting to come back into the station. And there's also like these different like little lion and tiger emblems from the old Gwazi coaster. I don't know if those were like on the train, but they're definitely a obvious callback to what used to be there. And speaking of waiting on the station, it is kind of crazy to me that a ride as popular as Iron Gwazi and as new as Iron Gwazi only has 2 trains. I don't really know why that is, but that is why the line was so long. So if they can put 3 trains on this thing, I don't know if that's even possible the way the roller coaster's built, but that would like seriously help a lot. But now that I've done like the #1 thing that I wanted to do at Busch Gardens today, it's time to actually go check out the thing that motivated this trip. The annual pass member lounge is opening up here at the Serengeti Overlook on the 3rd floor, and they're actually doing platinum pass member previews Saturday and Sunday. So I'm here on the first Saturday to check out the brand new pass member lounge. I think SeaWorld and Busch Gardens in particular have a really fantastic annual pass that you can buy. It is affordable, it has tons of perks, and I just think overall, I think out of all the major theme parks here in Florida, I can say, they definitely take care of their pass members the most. So I'm gonna go check out the brand new lounge today. Hopefully, since it's just platinum pass members, there's like not that many people and it can really be like a lounge. I expect this place to be a lot more popular once it officially does open up. But for now, I'm hoping I can just relax a little bit because, as you might have guessed it, it's pretty darn hot here in Florida. So I'm here now at the brand new pass member lounge on the 3rd floor of this very big building. There's not that many people in here right now. Obviously it's Platinum preview, so it's not as many people, but I do think it's spacious enough that it can hold a lot of people. I don't think they've put all the tables in just yet, but there are enough rooms and spaces for people to just like hang out and take a breather and relax while they're here in the park. There are two different rooms. There's one room where it's a bunch of chairs with chargers on them. It's very nice. There's maps all around. And then the bigger room has tables, which you can actually order food. I'm gonna get some food while I'm here, and a beer as well. You can't go to Busch Gardens and not have a beer, right? I got myself a Florida Avenue wheat beer and the loaded hummus. They do have a really fun giraffe-shaped pretzel with beer cheese, and that like seemed like a really good pick, but I'm trying to eat a little better while I'm at the parks, and in my head, hummus and pita chips is healthier, so I hope I'm right. Oh, wow. Rhino Rally, I remember this ride. This has been a long time. This used to be one of my favorite rides here. Like, it seriously is a really great location here at the top of the park. You can see so many great views from up here, the Serengeti, the roller coasters like Cheetah Hunt and Iron Gwazi. It's a really great spot, really pretty area, nice big open windows, can't go wrong, really solid pass member lounge. Hi. Hello, Mr. Penguin, African penguin, because it's tropical weather here. Hello. So cute. Let's just come right up to the glass. Hello. Now this is an up close and personal encounter I didn't expect to get today, but these penguins are extra friendly today, it seems. Hello. Hi. Yes, you see, it's looking at my microphone, the giant fuzzy microphone I have on the top of my camera. It's good for attracting animals' attention. Yeah, just like that. Talking about seeing things up close and personal, it looks like they are getting ready for Hallow Scream this year, which is a really great Halloween event. It starts September 9th. They've already got decorations out in the streets. I am very, very excited to visit Hallow Scream once again. I will say, I do actually kind of like the Scorpion roller coaster here at Busch Gardens. I think it's one of the oldest roller coasters at the park. It opened up in 1980. It was the second roller coaster to have opened here at Busch Gardens. I think it is fun, it is very charming, but it's also at a 45-minute wait, which I don't really think it's worth that long of a wait. I haven't really been to Busch Gardens during the weekends. I always show up during the middle of the week, and the crowd difference is quite noticeable. It's also the summer as well, so I think I'm gonna pass on this lovely little classic roller coaster. Hey buddy. Wow, look at that tiger. So close. Great thing is, there are so many spots here in the tiger exhibit. You can just get up to them. They're always like hanging out by the windows. This guy right here is chewing on a bone right by the window. Everyone's watching. This is a really great spot to get up close and personal with these animals, these wonderful, beautiful creatures. There's also another spot right here. There are no tigers in it right now, but this is a really great spot. It's literally inside the tiger enclosure. And like, imagine you were here and there's a tiger sitting right on top of you, right over here. That'd be insane. It's a really weird echo. Yeah, no tigers, but there are two little tiny lizards there. Two little Florida lizards. Hey guys. There's a tiger. It's on the move. If it comes over here, come over here, come over here, come to me. Like, there's a little bridge right over here. If he crosses that bridge, he'll land right over here. I'll get the best view in the house right now. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, hi. Hello there. Oh my gosh. Hi. Holy crap. This is exactly what I was talking about, guys. Okay, I think that is the best tiger encounter I think I'll ever have here. I think the best tiger encounter anyone will ever have here at Busch Gardens. That was awesome, and that has definitely got a big green check on my list of seen animals today. That was seriously amazing. No, I think I know what I'm gonna use my one-time quick queue on. It's gotta be Sheikra. It is my second favorite roller coaster here, right behind Iron Gwazi. Definitely gonna jump on this. I haven't been on this in the daytime in a while either, so I think this is a perfect opportunity to do it. It's currently at a 60-minute wait with a regular line. Let's see how long it takes for this quick queue.
I wish. do it that easy. Oh my god. Oh my. Whoa! Oh. I was thinking maybe this one wouldn't hold. Maybe we would just go straight down for this one. Oh my god. Woo-hoo! Oh. Come on, just go! Goodness gracious.
Oh, come on. It had to be Sheikra. Sheikra is so good. I rode in the front row after not riding in the front row for a very long time during the day. I think the last time I did this was like at nighttime for Halloween or one of the summer festivals. Yeah, it's pretty darn scary, but it is truly exhilarating. I think this year, yes, Iron Gwazi is fantastic, but I think if you're coming to Busch Gardens and you have to ride one roller coaster, like this to me is like the quintessential Busch Gardens Tampa Bay roller coaster. Sorry Montu, sorry Kumba, this is how I feel. Sheikra is it for me. It is thrilling, it is scary, it is exciting, it is just enough. And also it's got a really great splash zone area here. People love just hanging out by this splash zone, and it's really, really darn impressive, I gotta give them. I have never been someone to stand in the splash zone and get drenched. Kids love it, but I just can't do that with the camera and all that. Let's see. I still get a little breeze though, a little draft, a little cold water. Good, just enough for me. I don't need to be right over there where all those kids are. I had to do one more animal encounter before I left Busch Gardens. I'm getting ready to get on out of here. I had to stop by the Lory Landing. I love these little birds. I love that you can pay $7 with a pass holder discount for this little blatch of honey or sweetener. I don't know what it is. I should taste it. You think I can drink it? I'm not gonna do that. You get this and you just get bombarded with little baby birds all over you, and they have not pooped on me yet anytime I've done this, so that is also a plus. Watch this, for example. See, I'm kind of a pro here. Hi, get on. Come on, get on. Hey, don't bite me. Get on. You little guy, go ahead. Oh, I know, it's kind of interesting, isn't it? Oh no, don't tell me you're afraid of my camera here. Oh no, I think my really large microphone on the top of my camera is scaring the birds, which is kind of breaking my heart, I must admit. Yeah, there you go. Yay, finally, got a little guy on here. Look at that, okay. They really don't like my camera, but here you go. Here, look, hi. Hey there. There you go, thank you for getting on. It's okay, it's okay. It's just my weirdly large camera microphone that I think is what's kind of freaking you out. I don't know if can you see yourself on there? Yeah? You can see yourself? Oh, that's great. I can see myself too. Here you go. Ooh. There you go. Come on, buddy, please. Will you climb up on my arm and ow, don't bite me! Screw you. I'm gonna find another bird, you stupid bird. Ow, hi! You look like a very friendly bird. May I give you some honey sugar water and you'll be in my video, please? Oh, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video here with Big Bird from Sesame Street behind me, because this is the only bird in Busch Gardens right now that'll actually stop and be in a video with me. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching another VincentVision. I hope you had fun having fun with me. This was great. I had a really fun pop in to Busch Gardens today. I get to ride Iron Gwazi, I get to check out the new Pass Member Lounge, and I just had fun. I had some really great animal encounters. All of these put together make a really great Busch Gardens trip. But I am getting ready to head back home. I gotta drive back to Orlando. It is starting to rain. I've had my fun. It's time to go. So thank you guys for watching another VincentVision, and I will see you at the next one. Bye-bye.